Our group will be presenting on hydrolysis effect on enzyme. Enzyme is a catalyst that accelerates the chemical reaction, and the enzyme will convert the substrate into different molecules known as product.
Here are the examples of the enzymes which work well in food by hydrolyzing some of the food component in order to give a higher quality of end product. Calpain not hydrolyze all myofibril proteins, but selective hydrolyzation such as desmin, filamin, and connectin protein. Actinidin will degrade protein which are connective tissues and muscles. Next, bromelain will attack myosin and actin filament of muscle, and papain will degrade myofibril protein and collagen. In cheese, the lipase enzyme will attack the triglyceride and hydrolyze it into fractures of fatty acids such as propionic, myristic, palmitic, and stearic that is responsible for the sensory characteristics of the cheese. The fatty acids released from the reaction responsible to enhance the flavor of the cheese due to the liberation of the fatty acids. Phospholipase is added in whisking of egg yolk, and it will hydrolyze the phospholipid, which consists two groups of fatty acid, and phospholipase will remove one molecule of fatty acid to form lysophospholipid, which are hydrophilic and thus have better stabilization in emulsification. Lipase also can be used in bakery products such as bread dough. The lipase will remove the fatty acid from position 1 and 3 and will form monoglyceride in order to improve the rheological properties of the dough, increase stabilization, and liberation of the fatty acid also improve the dough strain. Besides,
Starch were contained in cereal, cassava flour, and raw corn that were hydrolyzed by the enzyme amylase and glucoamylase to produce the maltose syrup, which gave the sweet taste. Lactose is a sugar starch that can be found in milk, can be hydrolyzed by the enzyme lactase to form glucose and galactose. The fourth enzyme in starch hydrolysis is alpha-galactosidase, which can hydrolyze the raffinose that found in cereal and legumes to produce sucrose.